Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to the Day Trader. My name is Martyn Lucas. Today we come with a Bitcoin warning. Bitcoin could implode at any moment. We'll explain, or at least some of my guests will explain more of the details of that very, very shortly. But we do come with a Bitcoin warning. I am out of Bitcoin. I'm out of Ethereum. I've bought some BSV, only one coin, but I'm waiting for the crash. Well, there's evidence now to show it's about to happen. So you can decide what's best for you. Let's get straight into the trades. If it's your very first time here, click subscribe and ring the bell. Let us know you are here by giving us a thumbs up in the chat. And it's been a good day today. I've done well. My portfolio is up. We've cleared all our margin. We're making money, looking much, much better. And Bill is the first one into the live chat. He likes it, he crashes it, he smashes it. There you go. Great stuff. Who was here pre-show? First, it was the Queen of Self-Braiding, Dexter Sickles. Welcome, welcome. Dexter Sickles was here pre-show. Mike was here pre-show, but Bill is the first one on the board. There we go. Bill goes into the competition for the Day Trader of the Year award. All right, star prize, end of the year. Okay, let's. Robbie Cooper is here. Robbie Cooper. Now, we do have a free membership floating around. It was purchased this morning, I believe. I think I'm right in saying that. I might not be correct. It may have been claimed, but I'm pretty sure there's a free gifted membership going right now. If you go into the live chat in the little chat at the bottom, the little dollar sign, you can gift. You can actually gift a membership, and it'll be randomly picked for someone during a live show. And I think there's one going, so we'll see. Dexter Sickles, maybe you'll get it. Who knows? Who knows? I'm not sure. I'm not 100% certain. It might have been claimed, but we'll find out during the show. All right, okay, if you've just arrived, smash the like button. Let's get the likes up. We've got 12 watching, only 7 likes. So let's fix that straight off. 1 minute, we want 10 likes. Let's go. 10 likes. Smash the like button. Let's get things going. And here's my mini-me, one of my NFTs is saying smash the like button. There you go. Smash it. Let's check all the screens are working. Yeah, we're all good around the studio. Dexter Sickles, hello. Yes, how are you? Yes, yes, yes. So, you might see a claim a gift. If you see that, make sure that you click it. There's a free membership flying around the chat at the moment. Not been claimed. All right. 8 likes. Doing better. We're doing better. That's not too bad. 7 to 8. A little bit quiet on the likes today. It's early in the show, so let's get into it. Evening all. Tom, CMV Studio, is here. Hey Tom, the gifting membership works now. You know that you wanted to do a competition for a member. Well, gifting membership now works. We had 2 given away this morning by Ali, live in the show. Ali Tisro. It's really great. You go into the super chat, into the dollar sign, into the live chat at the bottom. Click the dollar sign, and here he is, Captain Fantastic Martin Sam, Elton John, who's now one of our members. And Sam, not only you on the homepage of the YouTube channel now, let me show you. We've got your video coming out this week. Everybody will watch it, like it, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Look, these are the members. These are the members. Scroll down here. There is your channel, Sam, on the homepage of the Day Trader. That's one of your perks. As long as you are a silver member, you're on the homepage. And if you go to Sam's channel, you will see that my channel is featured there, so it draws traffic to his channel as well. And I'm in the process, Sam, of making you a video. I haven't subscribed to your channel yet, and there's a very good reason why. Because when I make the video, we'll all subscribe, and you'll see your subscriptions go up by a lot. Everybody will support, and everyone does support all our members. So there you go. You're on the homepage of the YouTube channel. Okay. Now then, so yeah, Tom, just go and have a little look, and you will see in the super chat you can actually gift a membership. It's really, really cool. You can click on it. Folks, go and check it out. We had 2 this morning, and it randomly picked somebody in the chat that you've donated a membership, a bronze membership. It's incredible. It works really, really well. Anyway, did you see the new business cards that I sent you on Discord? No. I've just got back from the dentist, Tom. I've not been here since this morning's show, so I've not had a chance yet to look in Discord. And I've just been for my 6-monthly dental hygiene clean, polish and all the rest of it. And I will tell you that I got an excellent rating. In fact, I got a great rating. There's fair, good, or great, or excellent. I got great for my own personal hygiene. Flossing all the time. I do floss every day. Yep, you can't beat flossing. Very, very important. If you've never flossed, by the way, floss. You'll scare yourself what you find between your teeth. You think, I've cleaned my teeth. I've got one of those really nice Oral-B toothbrushes. Really, really great. You think, all right, I'm all good. Twice a day, best toothpaste, all that stuff. 3 minutes, the whole bit. And then you go and floss, and you go, oh, oops. Have a little look. You blow your mind away. And really, really interesting. Anyway, did you see the new business cards? I will have a look. Good evening, Martin. Good evening, all. Dillian Dramage is here. And, yeah, Sam, you'll get your videos soon. Okay. And, in fact, it might even get made today, actually. It might even get fitted into the afternoon after I finish. Arrival is, for those of you who don't know, I cleared all my margin yesterday and Friday and over the weekend. As you can see, I've now got 43,000. That's margin, all my margin. I've got cash again now. I rebalanced my entire portfolio. Yes, so that's why there's shares here with very few. And you see, I'm up in most things now. And we're just trading and making money on everything right now. Market profit. Good morning, family. So one of you who's not a member, there's a membership flying around right now. If you go into the market profit, did you see that this morning? I don't know if you were in at that point. Did you see how that works? You can donate a membership and someone can pick it up. It's really quite fun. Anyway, where are we? Let's have a look at Walmart today. It went up. I'm waiting for a little dip to buy another one. So we're looking to trade some more SPCE. It hasn't dipped low enough yet. I did see that. It's very cool, wasn't it? It was very cool. I'll tell you something else as well, folks. I'm quite a fit person, and my heart rate is always low. My blood pressure is low. Not low as in a bad low, but, you know, the lowest of the healthy, you know, really good. And this last couple of weeks has been quite stressful, to say the least, with my margin. And today at the dentist, because they in America, they don't do it in England, but they do it in America. At least they didn't do it in England when I was there, but maybe they do now. They measure your blood pressure, and for the very first time, my blood pressure was high. High for me, not high for what's regarded as generally high, but high for me. And I've been telling you, I've been feeling a bit pumped and a little bit like I've drunk a lot of coffee. So I don't know, just not quite right. More hype than normal, and I don't like it. It feels a bit, you know, my heart's going a bit faster, and everything feels a little bit weird. Anyway, so there we go. I think getting rid of that margin this morning will actually benefit me. I think stress is no point. The most important thing we have is our health. I mean, there's no point sitting here making money and creating the biggest YouTube channel in the world if you're, you know, if you're not healthy, is it? It's absolutely bloody pointless. Anyway, thank you very much indeed, Mike. We all support you, Martin. I support you all too. Thank you very much. Okay, we need to talk about the giveaway then. Yeah, there you go. So Tom, you can actually give it away. We can actually do a competition where someone who's not a member will win a membership. If you buy one now, somebody will win it, and we could sponsor it. I know you've already done that, so you could sponsor it and say it's from me, sort of thing, you know. And we could do it, you know. Anyway, we'll talk about it. Market profit. Oh, hang on, let me just read this. Dentists still not being given that measure yet. It has been discussed but not approved. Oh, right. They do it in America. They do the blood pressure thing. Anyway, market profit. Snapshot right now. Crypto under some selling pressure. Yeah, I've had a major announcement from Peru that Bitcoin is about to collapse. And he's got some reasons why, and I've got some information to share with you. Market profit is saying a similar thing. Crypto under some selling pressure this afternoon. I've noticed there is strong correlation to Bitcoin, BTC, as a leading indicator to where equities move in the short term. This is what Peru has sent in, and I need Peru to explain it. It's probably best to get Peru to explain it. But this is what it says. Attention to all BTC holders. So he's very specific. BTC, which is what some people call Bitcoin. Okay, BTC. The BTC NA nodes are now more than 50%, which happened last time in a big crash. BTC will up many people. Okay, so I will share with you the image that he sent through. I would like Peru to call in and we can discuss what this actually means, because to me, at the moment, this doesn't mean a lot, but I'd like to learn what it means. But this is what he's saying. It's on 54% now, and apparently when this last happened, Bitcoin crashed. BTC we're talking about. So there you go. That was sent in from Peru. So we'll find out. Maybe I'll have him call into the show and we can learn what that's all about. So let me open the in-broadcast channel up. Right, I've done that. The in-broadcast channel is open. Now, market profit. I actually sent you a personal message on Discord. I was telling you over the weekend that I was selling all my stocks and clearing all my margin. And I never heard back from you. I don't know if you've turned on notification for Discord or you even use it. I know you are in Discord because I sent you a message. And am I right? Am I right in saying your Discord is the man from Sask? Is that right? That's right, isn't it? The man from Sask, because I sent you a message saying it. Anyway. I wanted to check it was you. Yeah, I didn't actually tell you the information. Yes, that's me. Yeah. So I sent you a message. This is how it is on Discord. You've got the servers down the side and the personal messages at the top. And so I basically messaged you. This is you here. And I never heard back from you, so I didn't go into detail because I wasn't 100% sure it was you. I couldn't remember, but I thought it was. Anyway, you are a member there, so you can actually call in if you wanted to share that information. The man from Sask is called now. Right, you're calling me personally. You're calling me personally. Don't call me personally. That's not the way to do it. Let me show you how to do it. So you're calling me. Look. Oh, it's gone now. You are actually calling me personally. What you do is look at all the channels here. You can see all these, right? Go to the bottom in broadcast and just go into in broadcast. You just come in here. You don't phone me up. You just go in here. Okay? And I can bring you into the show. So you're on Discord. It's all right. A lot of people try that. They phone me up. They think it's best to phone me up. But what you do is you go into there and I can bring you in. So you can actually be on the show. You can leave a soundbite and have a chat with me. But I'd like to know what your thoughts are on crypto right now. And also I'd like you to know your thoughts on what I've done with my margin as well. You can share your thoughts with that one. But anyway, if you want to do that, the broadcast lounge is open. Right, this afternoon, we're up. Very nice. I'm up 300 bucks. So I've made my 200 bucks today. I'm up 0.88 at the moment. I've repositioned, cleared margin, got money on cash, waiting to buy more of different things. Arrival, SoFi. These are all ones now I can start picking up on. Mike's over there on Twitch. Thank you very much. Remember, do not abandon YouTube. But I need 3 people a day to be in my Twitch to help me grow. Tom was telling me you need 3 people a day to be in Twitch. This is where I am on Twitch right now. To help me grow like we are on TikTok, to promote YouTube, have another tab open on Twitch. The main connection is YouTube, but it helps me grow, which helps promote the channel. So here's the Twitch account. I need 50 followers. I got 26. And I need to, there's a Twitch. I need to have 3 people a day watching the stream. Mike's always in. And I need 3 to qualify for affiliation on Peru. You got my message. There we go. That was from the man from Sask, which is Market Profit. Okay, I'm in the broadcast lounge if anyone wants to call in. That's an average of 3 per show. Okay. Well then, yeah, so to make it easy, Tom, we need 3 people in. How many are in here? There are 2. I think you have to watch it for a certain time, so we need 3 people at some point. Yeah, there's 1 right now. Anyway. LS is here. Island Bull Trading, ELY, will be a winner in the future. And held up pretty good, this crazy Callaway big golf company, and feels like golf is just getting more popular. There you go. There's one for your golfers. There's a company here. ELY will be a winner in the future. Held up pretty good in this crazy Callaway big golf company. There you go. Interested in that one? Thank you very much, LS, for sharing that with us this afternoon. Thank you very much indeed. All right. Market Profit said, sell-side on crypto accelerating across the entire market. Something is happening. Yes, that is exactly what we believe. Oh, hello. Kirill.13 just subscribed to the channel. Thank you very much indeed. How many in here? There are 2 at the moment on Twitch. We need to get 3. Okay. So we're looking at my portfolio now. It looks like criminal action against Luna Foundation in Korea right now might have correlation to crypto decline right now. I tell you what, if Bitcoin, after all the hype it's had, Michael Saylor, Kathy Wood, all the big YouTubers, if it does crash dramatically, it will take the entire integrity and confidence out of the market. It will destroy it. Like I've always said, I think crypto and Bitcoin is worth having, but I feel it's worth having at 5% of your portfolio. So if it goes to 0, you won't even notice it. But if it does do well, could make you rich, right? You all know I've got one Bitcoin. I've got 1 coin of Bitcoin SV. Now it's on the same network as Bitcoin itself. It is Bitcoin. Some people would say it's the real Bitcoin, but anyway, I've got 1 of those. So who knows? Could have 40,000 for a $47 investment. Who knows? Who knows? But at the end of the day, it's like a lottery ticket. If it goes to 0, it goes to 0, right? If and when, and I believe Bitcoin is about to crash, and here it goes, look, I will buy it. I'll buy a whole Bitcoin at $100. You know, there we go. We've now got Bill over on Twitch as well. It says only I've got 1. I don't know why that is. I'll refresh the screen. But anyway, I will start buying it. I've actually set buys at 25,000, and I'll buy 20, 30 bucks until it starts hitting 20,000. Then I'll start going up to 100, 200 or whatever. So I'll own it for cheap. That's the way I look at it. But never more than 5% of my portfolio. BTC is dead. Look at that. Peru, I'm glad you've called in because I'm sharing the information that you provided. I'm sharing the information that you provided. And it'd be very, very nice if you could call in and say exactly what this is. What this actually means. But I tell you what, if Bitcoin does go to zero or whatever, it's going to make a mockery of everything in the crypto space. Even if it's something, even if it's just Bitcoin or something else, people are not going to believe any of it anymore. People have followed people on YouTube who just want you to watch their videos. No, clearly I'm a YouTuber, but you know the different style of my show. It's never been about grabbing headlines and making stories up to inflate my own portfolio, and I'm afraid that has been going on now for a long time. I remember when Michael Saylor, a few weeks ago, stood on stage in Miami and said, do not sell your Bitcoin. I thought, yeah, because if everyone sells it, you're bankrupt. I mean, it's, you know, I like the principle of it. I like the idea. It's why I own it. But you look at it another way. It's the biggest Ponzi scheme in the history of the world. It absolutely. If everyone said today that this was rubbish and going to zero, it will go to zero. There's absolutely nothing to stop it. So Peru, if you wouldn't mind calling in and explaining exactly what this means, I'd be very interested. The nodes over 50%. BSV at the other side getting all the attention. I've noticed that my BSV is doing well. I only own one BSV, but it's just the same. Just the same as Bitcoin. You know, it's on the same network. It's a hard fork off it. It's the principles of Bitcoin. Who knows? I mean, depending on how you see it, you could regard it as just as good, better. In fact, it has infinite amount of the speed is very different. You can do a lot more transactions on it. It's got a lot more utility, a lot more useful. Got the same security, got the same originality as BTC. So maybe, who knows? Who knows? Maybe this is the time. That's why I bought one. Maybe I should have bought 2 or 5 or something like that. But if I own one, now Peru, you said in a message to me earlier that you're thinking of selling it at a 150 price point, which would be a great profit, right? Why would be like 300%? Do you see? I asked you the question, and I don't think you didn't reply to me yet. Do you see why? Do you see if it's possible it could go to 40,000 like Bitcoin has done, or 60,000? Is there any reason why? I mean, how high can this go? If is it possible it could go all the way the same price as BTC? Anyway, let's come back to the comments coming in now. Before I do, we need 20 likes. You're getting lazy again. 20 likes. 20 likes, 1 minute. Smash the like button. I'm not sitting here for nothing. Come on, help me out. Here's Mr. Mini-Me. Smash the like. Likes. Got 19 watching. Come on, you can do it. 30 seconds. It's going to be an okay day today, and it certainly is a green day. In my portfolio, it's a green day. I hope it is in yours. There we go. What are we up to now? 13 likes. That's very slow on the likes today. Anyway, so let's have a look. Also major Tether news happening right now. Tether, the world's largest stablecoin, has seen its circulating supply plunge from a record 84.2 billion on May 11th to around 73 billion as of Monday. There we go. Big news on Tether. That's not doing well either. We're getting some very strong language on the show. Look, BTC is dead. BTC can go to 5,000 or less. How do you come up with these numbers to be precise like this? I'm here, I'm there, I'm everywhere. Hello, Bill. How are you, mate? BSV, Bitcoin. Peru is an advocate for the real Bitcoin. At the other side, getting all the attention. Well, it had a lot of attention this morning. I was up 11%. BTC has literally no data left. What do you make of that? So more than 50% of nodes, which is the networks, are controlled by an unknown group. Ah, I see. Okay. More than 50% are controlled by an unknown group. Well, the whole point of Bitcoin, if I'm right in saying, is we've never known, or you might know, or you think you know, most people don't know who Satoshi Nakamoto is, or believe they know who he is. And the whole thing has been built on magic. Who would buy anything they didn't know who made it and where it came from? That's basically what we've got with Bitcoin, right? But people have accepted that. People have accepted that this pseudonym, one or a group of people called Satoshi Nakamoto invented it, and we're all just to accept that. It's very, very interesting. Yeah, I see it. I got it. Hang on. Would the real Satoshi please stand up? Say please stand up. Say please stand up. Would the real... Hang on a minute. Would the real Satoshi please stand up? Please stand up. Please stand up. Would the real Satoshi please stand up? Nakamoto. Oh, this used to be a serious channel. This used to be a really good channel. It was like the Discovery Channel, you know, David Attenborough and all that. Do you pay copyright on this ditty? You can have it if you give me a super chat. Anything you pinch from my channel, I get notified. And if anyone gives me a tip or a super chat or anything like that, or now you can donate a membership, you can tip me for somebody else. That's even better. That's even better than a super chat. You can go into the super chat and you can donate a membership, and it randomly picks somebody in the chat who's not a member and makes them a member. So I get a tip and they get a free membership. How cool is that? So if you want to tip me from now on, just do a membership. It's really, really cool. Anyway, and if you do a tip of any description, you own the copyright to any of the clips that you use, because when you use it, it tells me on YouTube, it says this person has copied this part of your video. Do you wish to report them, allow them, or delete it, whatever? And if you give me a tip, I'll go, you can have it, and then you can use it to promote your channel. Anyway, I didn't have enough Bitcoin when it was 64 cents, and it was $100 USA, but I had 107 Canadian, not enough. By the time I did, it was $4. Oh man! Breaking news: Ukrainian intelligence confirms Putin's. Oh, that is a big news story. Well, let's take a moment. Breaking news: Ukrainian intelligence confirms Putin survived an assassination attempt. Wow. So it's begun, has it? That was only a matter of time. Blimey. Okay, that's going to put the whole cat among the pigeons. Yes, it's possible for BSV to go to 10,000 or more. Yeah. There we go. The way I see it, I've got it for $47. I'm going to hold it forever. That's the way I see it. You know, but it's like everything, isn't it? When it gets to $10,000, you sell it. Do you sell it for $1 million? I mean, at what point do you sell it? I don't know. No one knows then, do they? Then it went ballistic. I didn't understand the mining thing and the wallet and how to retrieve it. Bill, we all were with you, mate. It's a complicated world we live in. Right with you, mate. Totally get it. What about Ethereum? I would have thought if the major one collapses, they'll all collapse. I believe so. You might disagree with me, but confidence. This whole thing is about confidence, and if there's no confidence in anything, everything goes to nothing. Other than stocks, because stocks does stuff. If you own Tesla, you own cars, you own factories, you own batteries, you own solar panels, you own stuff. Bitcoin, any crypto. If everyone says it's nothing more than magic dust, it goes to zero. You can see in other screenshots about BSV data and transaction. You've sent me some more, have you? I don't see any more screenshots from you, so I'm assuming that's something else. Real Bitcoin is all about transparency. Person to person, digital cash. There we go. That's Peru's take on BSV. Dexter says Ethereum, Litecoin, Dogecoin are down too. Taking Space too. What about Space? SPCE, my top stock. Space is fine. I made some money with Space this morning. Remember, FIFO rule on your brokerage. If you've sold a stock, a share, you want to make sure that you know which one you want to sell. So when I finish here today, I'll be emailing Robinhood, telling them of my transaction today, the ones I want to sell. So there we go. That's going to be happening today. All right, I've got some more information here. Okay, from Peru. I will bring it in a second. The faulty towers of investing. What was it you said? What we're doing? The Ministry of Silly Walks. It's available on YouTube. What's available on YouTube? Putin story. Is it? Okay, thank you for that. Love it. Nudge It, Budget, Move It is here. Nudge It, Budget, Move It is here. How are you today, Nudge It? Love to have you here. I use it in my music. Do you use that? Do you? What? That's my my music. Well, as soon as I check my copyrights, if it comes up, and if you've not tipped me, you'll be in trouble. BTC is not cash. It acts like a crypto scam. Bitcoin is no data. Block just go empty. No data. In other screenshots, I send you data information. Okay, let's have a look. I'll bring it into you now. This is what Peru's talking about. Now, try and explain this to us, Peru. Let's have a look. So what he's saying is Bitcoin is not a cash. It's like a crypto scam. BTC has no data. Block just go empty. No data. In other screenshots, I send you data information. Okay, let me have a look. Okay. Now, I need someone to explain this, what we're actually looking at right now, because I know some people are looking at that thinking, what is going on there? We see BSV. Transaction, I mean, that means nothing to me right now. I'd love to be educated on that. So perhaps you should call in and explain that. But that's what Peru is saying. BTC has no data. Block size. Oh, there you go. You can see here. This is what he's talking about. This is BTC. Block size. There's nothing in there. Whereas the blocks in BSV, you can see the difference. Its block is full of data. In other screenshot, I send you data information. So there you go. Thank you very much for that. You did. You sent me some other information. The nodes. Here's another information. Here you go. Bitcoin. This is I can understand where he's going with this one. This is the white paper. BTC. It then goes off to BTC. and then whatever that one is, I'm not sure. And then this is Bitcoin Cash, BCH, and BSV continues. I'm sorry I'm not explaining it very well. I'm just being given this information. I'm sharing it with you. It's for you to work out, or we can have Peru call in. Let's have a look now. We've got some information here coming in from Peru. Hello, Paddy. Hello, everyone. Nudge it, budget move. Your drone video is great, Bill. Love it. The markets may soar if this happens. If what happens, Dexter? I like Ethereum, still too high though. I don't mind adding more Ethereum. There we go. Peru's buying more Ethereum. If the war ended, here's an interesting point. If the war ended, it would give the market an excuse for a crazy bear market rally, but doesn't fix the weak underlying economic realities around the world. Whoop, Tilray down. I've just got breaking news of Tilray down. Might be time to visit Tilray. Yes. Okay. Tilray down. Breaking news. Buy Tilray, please. Let me buy four. For review order. Buy. Okay, just got breaking news on Tilray. Tilray is down. So a position just slowly growing here. That just came in now. I've just bought some more Tilray. Breaking news, Tilray has just dropped. It's worth looking at if you are into Tilray. There we go. I've just lowered my average. I'm down now 2.65. Only a small amount. I've got a $35 value. Let me have a look. Let me see. 261. I can afford some. I can afford to get some more. Let's go. Let's step back. Yeah, trading along. It's 52-week low. It's 389. So it's not that far off from its all-time low. So I think I will buy another 8. I'll buy another 8. What's 10? I'll buy another 10. Review the order. Buy another 10. Okay. That will take it down to 8. Take it up to 18. Give it a second to go through. The breaking news on Robinhood is really good for this. There we go. I'm now down 1%. Now down 1% with a $4.55 average. Okay. Now this one we were thinking is a 10x. $40 a share, 10x. So 81 could become $800. That's enough. All right, nice. This rebalancing my portfolio has done wonders for me. So there we go. Breaking news. Let me put that out as a video. I want to cover that as a video. All our Tilray Brands fans. Oh, Bitcoin now is crashing. Tilray. There we go. Let me bring this into our show right now. We are at 38 minutes. 38 and TLRY. Okay, Tilray Brands. Okay. Breaking news here on the Day Trader. Ticker symbol TLRY. Tilray Brands. It's one of our stocks we are in, and there's been a massive drop today. We are down nearly 5% today, as you can see here on the portfolio. I've repositioned my entire portfolio, rebalanced it, cleared all my margin away, nearly $48,000 of it. I'm all on cash now, and I reset all my positions. starting again, rebalancing, and I'm building a position. So right now I've been buying a little bit of Tilray. Every time it pops down, I buy a bit more. Now, why I have made a video on this right now is because wonderful thing about Tilray is we see it here on the Day Trader as a $40 stock. So from here we can 10x, maybe more. I see it as a $40 stock, so I don't need to own hundreds of shares of Tilray. Remember, it's all about balance. I'm not trying to just buy as much of anything because it's cheap. It's all about balance. If this goes up 10x, then this would be a couple of percent or a bit more than that of my portfolio, and that's all it needs to be. That would make me $800. Either way, I'm not going to lose much. I've only invested $80. That's how I'm rebalancing my portfolio. There we go. Tilray Brands, breaking news. Take care of yourselves and each other. Okay, let's do a thumbs up on that one. All right, there's Tilray Brands. Okay, let me just fix the camera, folks. Just realized. There we go. You might see now that the camera is moving behind the overlay. You like that? There we go. Right, let's go back to our overlays, clear the news, put back in the ticker, and get back onto the trading screen again. There we go. So that video will go out shortly. Peru has just sent me more information on this subject that we're talking about. Where have you posted it? Just sent you. I think I've already seen that one, unless you've put it in Peru's tips. Let me have a look. I think I've already seen that. I have to hold onto my space till Q4. Let's have a look. SPCE. SPCE, we lowered our averages today. We've still got 901. We bought 40 and sold 40, made a profit. Basically got a free share of Virgin Galactic, made $7 profit on it. We're looking for it to go down again, to buy it again and do it again. But as long as I contact Robinhood, because I want to sell the ones that were lower than what I sold. I don't want it to sell the higher ones, so I can tell them. And all I do is using the template. Somebody actually asked me for the email, so I'll send that to them. I think it was Queen wanted the email. What I will do is I want to tell them that this is the one I want to sell. This is the one I want to sell. These are the 40 shares I want them to sell at $6.49. So I'll actually make a profit. All right. It's gone back down again now. But that's the ones I wanted to sell. The ones that were at $6.49. Otherwise, I won't have made a profit if it sells the higher ones. Anyway. Mrs. Put keys in the wash. So that was £140 for new key this morning. Oh no! You put your car keys, the electronic little thumb, the little key fob. Oh no! Sorry, Nudget. Not a good morning for you then. According to Bitcoin white paper, Bitcoin has to carry real data and faster translation. You can see BTC as no block information. There we go. That's what we were just talking about earlier. But it hasn't stopped people buying it, has it? That's the thing. People are buying it. Actual values come up with data. And that's what Kevin O'Leary, one of the sharks, has been saying. It's all about software and data. So is he incorrect then? Is he incorrect? Dexter Sickle, the assassination. The assassination of Bitcoin. I only need 3 times 3 or 4 on Tilray. Yeah, you got a much bigger position then, obviously, right? I have a crazy question. Dexter Sickles, go ahead. With Alphabet Google, which one? There's a very good explanation there. Very good. Google. Alphabet Class C. Alphabet Class C. This is the one you should buy. It's all to do with really whether you want to vote or not. It doesn't change a lot. You're still buying Google. You could buy either. But people that just want to buy it to trade it, invest it, tend to buy Alphabet Class C. I did my research on that very same thing. You would have thought it would just say Google, right? I've had this discussion. It confuses so many people. There we go. So lots of selling pressure. This is good. I'm still up today. Rebalance my portfolio. Let's go along and have a look. Arrival. It's held down at this position all day. Should I add some more? My average is 182. It's only up very, very slightly. I just think I just want to add it over time. SoFi. Down very slightly. So I could add a couple more of SoFi. I like the idea of SoFi. I'll just buy a couple. It's down very slightly. It's down 1%. My average is 731. It's 725. Let's buy a couple then. Not a lot. In case we get a dip into the close. Canoe. This is the one. This is the one. Do we think Canoe is going to be taken over by Apple? Because if it is, want to slowly build this one up. Oh, Target down 1%. Still falling. Now let's compare that to Walmart. They both have a decent dividend, 2.18. Walmart is 1.85, not as good. So Target is slightly better on the basis of the dividend. What time are you doing your singing show? I do it in this show if someone makes a request. We do it in this show if someone makes a super chat. All right? There is no extra show tonight. I'm just trading and the show is nearly finished. Oh, I just realised. Can't believe the time. I haven't run a commercial yet. It's a 1-minute commercial. We've got Day Trade of the Day coming up in 10 minutes. Here we go. You might see an ad. You might not. I forgot about that. Unbelievable. So Target could be worth a little bit of an extra $20. It's down 1%. I'm going to buy. So I'm going to buy $20 of Target. Yeah, I absolutely agree with you, market profit. I think without a shadow of a doubt, they're both in the same world, I guess. But Walmart is much, much bigger. It owns Asda in the UK. Absolutely, it's much more resilient. I absolutely agree with that, 100%. That's why I've got a bigger position in Walmart. As you can see, I've already set my sell for Walmart. I think it's 135, around about here, 130, 135. I've already set it to sell. I really, really miss watching your singing shows. Well, thank you very much, Garrison. I do it, if someone gives me a super chat, I do it live in the show. I do a request in this show. But thank you very much indeed. Tesla's been holding up all day. I've got 12 shares of Tesla again. Haven't bought another one yet. I've not made enough money yet from my stocks. Rivian, I've got 5 now. Slowly been building it up. Not going to buy any more just yet. Virgin Galactic, made money on that one. Send him a super chat, Garrison. He will sing his lungs out. There you go. Remember now, you can do super chats through the way of gifting somebody a membership. So you can tip me, but give somebody else a membership. It's even better. It's even better because I get the tip, the other person gets a membership. I love that. I think it's absolutely wonderful that they can access all the benefits, or at least the bronze level benefits anyway. Amazon's coming up. I like Amazon. I know it's got a lot of trouble, but I like it. Nvidia, I've not had an opportunity to buy more today. Facebook, it's risen today. I haven't really had an opportunity to buy any more. Development alert, Uganda became a member. Hang on, what's that about? Oh, member for 2 months. There you go. I was thinking you were already a member, right? There we go. Congratulations. Lucid. Now then, Lucid. I've got 2. I do want more Lucid because I remember when I made money on Lucid. I like the fact it's down right now. Space just jumped. Oh, great. Let's have a look. Virgin Galactic. What? I don't see much of a jump. A little bit. A little bit. Where was that? -1. That's 0.5%. So, yeah, it has moved a bit, but I want it to go lower so I can buy it again. Going up right now is not. Oh, it's moving as well. It's going to go up. It's going to go green. It's going to go green in the after hours. That's looking good. Apple's done well today, up nearly 4%, 3.6. Very good dividends. You want to own Apple, one of the biggest companies in the world. Great. Down 6%, so I'm not going to buy any more. Waiting to make a profit on it, but I'll hold this one. Google, I've only got $10 of it. I used to own a whole share of it. I had to clear it off, sadly, for my margin, but there you go. Coca-Cola, I'm looking to buy more. Build up a portfolio steadily. Bitcoin, absolutely dumping. 29,000 now, right. So I have got 29,200. 29,000. I've got $40. Let's add another. I don't want to go too much. I'll buy another $10. I'm at $10. I know it sounds not much, but it's about to go lower. 29. Review the order. Shall I make it 20? I'll make it $20. All right, $20. $20 there, because I only want like 5%, right? 5% of crypto in total. All my crypto wants to be 5%, and just keep buying the averages. 29,000. So review the order. I think it's going to go lower, but that's all right. I'll do another $20 later. So let's buy $20. Or should I just wait a bit longer? I mean, it is going now. Let's go $20. Not a lot. There we go. 2.66%. Where does it go to now? 2.66%. There you go. 1.87 now. There you go. $60. That's good. Tomorrow may be the day for space. Ooh, let's hope so. Let's hope so. If we get a dip in the morning, let's see if I can get some money on hand. VU. Right, I can actually sell. I will sell 2 shares of VU because I'm at 1.45 today. 1.64. I'm at 1.5. Yeah, I'll sell. I'll sell 2 VU. Have some money on hand. I've made a profit. Review order. Sell. I'll sell 2. Done. Okay. Still got 26. Still got just under 10 grand. That now gives me $889. Nice. I'm earning 1% interest now from Robinhood. They pay me 1%. I can also stake my shares and make another, I think, 1.5%. I've cleared away my eToro and WEBULL accounts. I've sold all my stocks and now I'm transferring the cash into Robinhood. I don't like the platforms. I've given up on it. I'm tired of it. Tilray. IonQ. Waiting for an opportunity to buy more. Ginkgo. Yeah, Bitcoin is going down then. I wonder why all the big name crypto follow when go up, are all up. When they go down, they're all down. Yeah, very interesting point. I've often wondered that. It's not exact, but it is the pattern. They certainly go up together and down together. That certainly happens. I just realised I used another account, Zach, for 1 month and then changed to this one. Overall, I've been a member for 3 months. There you go. That's all right, Zach. It's all confusing. Here he is, Caden Youngquist. Got these dips today, early morning. Very nice, Caden. Congratulations. Should be a 4% day soon. Fed meeting tomorrow in Vegas. Very important to see what Jay Powell has to say. Indeed. We've just been discussing crypto and Bitcoin. Peru thinks it's all over. Thinks it's all over for crypto and Bitcoin. So there you go. All right. Let's go now to the overall portfolio. It's up 1.38. We got day trader of the day coming up in just a couple of minutes. So we're going to see who's going to win that. Target coming up. J&J. Currently don't have one. I'm waiting for an opportunity to buy back in. Bitcoin SV, that's also going down. I'm still up 5% on it though. The Vanguard S&P, 1.83. Cryptocurrencies are connected to each other by many small projects. So when major crypto down, all are down. There you go. Does that answer your question? Caden Youngquist, we did some technical work on it a little while ago. Peru was sending some information about the nodes, very interesting, about the amount of data that is in the node, in the block rather, and it being basically nothing. And he thinks that Bitcoin can go to $5,000, if not lower. So there we go. I have cleared out my Bitcoin. I'm just adding like 10, 20 bucks every time it goes down 1,000, something like that. I regard it as a lottery ticket now, just owning a little bit of it at the side. Vanguard S&P 500 is up 1.85. Outdoor. Thanks, Peru, but I still don't understand all of crypto. IPOF. Walmart. Oh, I thought it had dropped. Sorry, I was on the year thinking, oh, time to buy some more. Anyway, I only got 300 in Bitcoin, so I'm not worried. That's it. It's all about balance. For me, it's 5% of my portfolio. That's where I'm aiming. That's where it was, but that's where it's been. It's not where it is now. I've rebalanced my portfolio. I've cleared my margin. Like XRP, don't hold any information. XRP don't have blocks. There you go. Right, the bell's gone. And now we'll see where we go after hours. Tilray is dropping down after hours. I've improved my position there. Peru, are you still a fan of Tilray? XRP is just a money transfer chain. There we go. IonQ. I do want to pick some more up here. Yes, I am. You're still a believer in Tilray. Okay. I've only got 18 shares of it, but remember, I'm now resetting and buying these much, much lower prices. I stopped buying in a lot of this sort of stuff because of my margin. I sold it all out, starting again. So it's a completely different now. So I may only have 18 where I used to have maybe 100, but I have it at about 40% discount. So I actually probably have the same potential with less investment. How about SoFi? Yeah, I am still into SoFi. Oh, Virgin Galactic is up after hours. Apple's going up after hours. No, it's not. Beg your pardon. On. PayPal. I've not had a really... Well... I wonder if PayPal has bottomed. I mean, it's certainly over 5 years has bottomed. $81. There's no dividends. There's nothing like that. I wonder if it's worth an investment now or waiting for a further reduction. I mean, it has been as low as 81, 76. So it's pretty much the bottom, isn't it? 72. SoFi is something that you buy and forget about it. That's Rivian is coming up a little bit. Tesla, holding my Tesla now. Walmart, looking to add a third. Here's our SoFi. I've sold out of it at the moment, but I could add some more there now. Actually, it's down. It hasn't really changed. 8. Buy another 8 would make me at a wash. If we look at it, we pan out. It's been lower. It's been as low as 644. So it's pretty much its all-time low. That wasn't that long ago. Oh, no, 525. It's been as low as 525. How long ago was that? That was May 10th. Starting to come up again now. Five. Oh, Tilray Brands is up after hours. Just realised that. SoFi just dropping a bit. Okay, it's presenting itself now. So it's down 0.5%. So now I could pick up 8. What worries me, what do you think, if crypto collapses, where's the place in, where does SoFi go? Because it's all in that same space. What do you think about that, Peru? If Bitcoin and Ethereum, if all this stuff collapses, hypothetically, right? Where does that leave SoFi? Because this is a bank that's all on the blockchain, right? That's what it is. It's that whole world. What do you feel about that? No, SoFi is no blockchain. Okay, tell me then. I'm going to add another 8. SoFi is not on blockchain. It's not on blockchain. Okay. So how does it operate then? Tilray's coming up. That's nice. Imagine if I could be in the green or in the black. Only a small amount, 18 shares, but 18 shares is very different than buying 18 shares at $30, right? I mean, it used to be at one point it was $20 a share. At one point, it was $145 a share, but that's just a pre-IPO romance. We won't worry about that too much. Anyway, 889 I've got in cash now. Arrival going sideways. Waiting for another drop perhaps. SoFi. All my positions are pretty good now. I'd love to know, because Canoe is in so much trouble. Canoe is going nowhere unless Apple take it over. And all they're buying, what I've read and researched is, all they would actually buy is the expertise. That's it. They don't want anything else. They want the people that work there. That's it. I just wonder if they could just give them, I mean, if the company goes bust, they just work for them anyway, right? I mean, do you need to buy a company to get a few people? I don't know. What do you think about that? Is that purely speculative? Could it go to zero? They are in trouble financially. You'd need some good news to come out of that for sure. Bitcoin SV coming up again. Let's see what Bitcoin's done. Let's compare the correlation. That's just come up as well. There we go. I just managed to buy the bottom of the 29,000. Let's do day trader of the day. Here we go. Let's run it right now. How many people have got watching? 20, 21 likes. Okay. Bit of a quiet one today. Let's do day trader of the day. So I am up 1.48, an improvement from this morning. 1.48%, up 1.48%. There we go. Let's share that on the screen and give a 1 minute on the clock. Tilray Brands is going down again. Timer, 1 minute on the clock. Here we go. 1 minute. I'm up 1.48. Arrival now 1.84. SoFi coming up. Got 16 shares now. Up 1.81. Caden goes into the lead. Target is coming up. That's good. Johnson & Johnson. Sideways. Bitcoin SV coming up. The S&P is coming up. That's good. Rocket Man goes into the lead at 2.27. Walmart coming down slightly if you wanted to get another one. There we go. And looks like Rocket Man is up 2.27%. Could be our winner tonight. Let's have a little look and see. Up 2.27. Tilray Brands is trying to break out, actually, if you look at it. So let's congratulate Rocket Man. Congratulations to you. Give him a big thumbs up. Good going from Caden. Round of applause. All right. Fantastic. Now then, of course, every Friday we have a cash giveaway. This Friday is no exception. If you've not yet entered the cash giveaway, Each time you watch this video all the way through, you can enter yourself again. As long as you watch it all the way through, like it, you've already liked it, you can't like it again. But leave the comment again so it counts for another turn. And a sentence with the word margin in it. A sentence with the word margin in it. Do you like margin? Do you not like margin? What is margin? Explain margin. Whatever you like. There is the video. Watch it all the way through. It's a 5-minute video. Watch it to the end. Like it, leave the comment, and you can be in the cash prize draw for Friday. It's free to enter, free for all. Cost you absolutely nothing. Anyone can be involved. Congratulations to you, Rocket. Yes, indeed. All right, we're coming to the end of the show. I'm at 1.46 now, so I've improved a little bit on my original score. No, I haven't. It's gone down a bit, 1.46. All right, I got some cash on hand for the morning. That's very nice. My portfolio has broke 33,000 today. It was 32. So I've had an okay day. I've had a great day, actually. I'm green. I've had a good day. I've lowered my position everywhere. The first thing I've got to do now is email Robinhood because I wish to sell. I don't wish to sell my FIFO first in, first out of Virgin Galactic. I want to sell the ones I bought this morning, and I sold them here, and I bought them here, and I sold them here. I don't want to sell these ones. I want to sell these ones, and that's what I'll be doing after the show. Thank you. Potash did it for me. IPI. Potash. There we go. What video do I go to? I just gave you the video in the chat. There you go. The video is in the chat. See it? I've just given you the link. Oh, actually, it didn't come up as a link, did it? That's not right. Let's try that again. It didn't come up as a link. It's still not coming up as a link. You can copy and paste it, but I don't know why that's not coming as a link. Let me sort that out. Why isn't that doing that? That's peculiar. Let me check it. No. That's very peculiar. Okay. You need to leave the comment margin. Let me give it again. I wonder why I'm not able to share a link. Yeah, look, that's not coming because of a link. And it is a link. That's really weird. That should be a link. All my stuff's links, HTTPS's. Yeah, something's wrong with the light. Oh, yeah, something's wrong with the chat. Test. Yeah, something's wrong with the chat. Yep. Well, you just copy and paste that link. It should be a link, but it's not. Just copy and paste it and it will work. I don't know why it's not. The chat's not behaving as it's not bringing in a HTML link. But anyway, there it is. Carlos Sanchez is at 3.21. You would have won today if you'd shared that on time. You'd have been our winner. There we go. Never mind. Thank you very much for sharing it, though. Appreciate it very much. All right. We've come to the end of the show. Let's see where we are. We've got 22 watching right now. I don't know why. That link isn't working. Oh, yeah, it's not even showing, is it? That's really weird. Oh, hang on a minute. I know why. I'm not in as myself. I know why. Switch account. I know exactly why. I'm not in as myself, and I've not. Did someone else? Could someone else approve my own post? I just can't believe that. That's what it is. I'm in as Martyn Lucas, not the day trader. How daft is that? I bet it'll come up now. Yeah, there's the link. There you go. Sorry about that, Caden. I was in as myself, and the comment wasn't getting posted. There you go. There you go. There's the video for you. All right, let me close the broadcast lounge down. No one's calling in today, so we're all done there. I want to welcome some new members to the Discord channel. We've got a few members today who joined up. We have a few here. Look, we have Hansel Ven, Tank, and Mish. There we go. 3 members. If you see those popping around the server, very, very good. All right. Did you find the video, Caden? I hope you did. Oh, very nice indeed. New business cards. Shall we share these to the world? These are from CNV Studio. Is Tom still here? I like his new business cards. Are these clickable, are they? They're not clickable on here. There you go. Very nice. Nice looking card there, Tom. There you go. Very, very good. You should have a digital version of this, and then these could be clickable. That's what you should... I mean, exactly what you've done there, but just make these areas clickable, and then you'd have a clickable business card. I think Musanella does that, doesn't he? I think so. Anyway, that's it for us this afternoon. We're back in the morning, of course. Look out for the Tilray Brands video. That'll be coming out shortly, but we are going to get off right now. A little bit quiet today. A little bit quiet. Don't know why that might be. SoFi is a fintech online bank and another bank and other bank called Traditional Bank. In this link, you can see the difference. That's very useful. I will check that out. Right, we're going to end the show now, though, so thank you very much, Peru, for that, but we're going to knock on the show. That's it from me today. I'll be back in the morning, of course, for the opening bell. Let's see if we continue moving forward. We've moved forward nicely today. Let's continue. I've got some money ready to buy whatever presents itself in the morning. A couple of people think tomorrow is a big day for Virgin Galactic. I don't see any evidence of that at all at the moment, but we shall see and debate it in the morning. But after hours, by the way, SoFi has just gone up 0.5%. So I'm actually up on SoFi right now. I only have a very small position, but nevertheless, I'm up on it, which is always nice. Target is down slightly in the after hours, and Tilray Brands as well has just dropped a bit more. IonQ is doing well, it's up 0.17. IonQ is doing pretty well in the after hours as well. Let's have a quick, before I do end the show, how far down has that been? Looking positive now. Maybe it should buy some more. It's starting to pump up after hours as well, which is encouraging. In fact, I think I'll buy 4 more in the after hours to seeing that go up like that. In the after hours is encouraging. Review the order. There we go. I've just bought 4 more. There we go. In the morning, we might buy some more if that does but go down. But we've just picked up some more. We now have 8 IonQ. All right, great stuff. I'll see you all back in the morning. Have a lovely evening. Relax, chill out, take care of yourselves and each other.